hello. Behind me is a little only up called Wind Up. So I'll be beating it because I am bored and I don't know what to do. So why not make a video? Oh, that's dang. Dang, they fixed that? Dang it! I used to always like jump up there. At least you can do that. Not as good, but you can still do it. Flutter lifties are really easy. Brady glass jumps. I don't know what to do. Oh. I haven't played this map in a while, so don't judge me. Okay. Play! I did it! First try, question mark? Oh my gosh, my game lagged for a second. Huh? Go up, go up! Oh my gosh, first try. No way. That was first try. Not the winter paint.